breathable and comfortable all day. Put on your cut-resistant gloves as you're employed on quilting tasks. Spend time in your outside backyard, whittle within the yard, or head to the warehouse for work. There are numerous items accessible to carving gloves, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best carving gloves from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐜 cut-resistant gloves. Get a pair of knife-resistant gloves that match both hand completely. Like a glove, fab for males, ladies, youngsters, and everybody accountable, sufficient to deal with a knife to slice some greens or fillet a fish. And the grip is nice too. Your gloves receive edge slip, fall off, or irritate your pores and skin. Use your minimize resistant gloves if you're shucking oysters, slicing up your meat for dinner, dicing greens, utilizing the potato slicer or the mandolin. Defend your arms, really feel like a master chef, and provides your arms some further safety. Our minimize resistant, extremely sturdy gloves offer you EN 388°5 minimize resistance. In different phrases, they're product of the very best degree of minimize resistant materials you will get in the marketplace. These gloves are ANSI 105-2016 licensed. Executed utilizing that onion slicer, chopping up steak meat, dicing the greens, grating the carrots, or utilizing the mandolin. Caring for your gloves is straightforward peasy. Simply throw them within the washer on cool with some delicate detergent, then allow them to drip dry. Number 2. Cut-resistant gloves. Conserving your gloves clear is straightforward. Our improved security slicing gloves might be washed by hand and mechanically cleanable. However, we do advocate to let the gloves drip dry. Throwing them right into a dryer could trigger harm. Shrinkage to the microfiber tech that's instilled in every glove. Minimize resistant gloves appropriate for our meat cutting processing. Mandolin slicers and peelers, nice for oyster shucking, butchering, wooden carving, storage working, yard working, coping with damaged glass, and extra. Sizes vary from S to XL, superior grip for arms of various sizes and shapes, glorious consolation and dexterity to put on and grip, breathable and lightweight, flexible operation, not too laborious, no sliding. The particular excessive elastic nylon is mixed to make the gloves suit your hands so effectively. It's minimize resistant gloves made out of degree 5 minimize resistant materials, and the gloves are awarded with the very best degree 5 minimize resistance certification. Offers further security to stop cuts and abrasions, shield your arms from 99% damage. Number 3. 𝐂𝐤 Life Cut Resistant Gloves. It's hand and mechanically cleanable and might be cleaned as kitchen dishwashing towel. The excessive efficiency minimize resistant materials HDPE is adopted, and the gloves is awarded with the very best EN 388-2003°5 minimize resistance certification. 10 instances stronger than regular gloves. Versatile operation, not too laborious, no sliding. The particular excessive elastic nylon is mixed to make the gloves suit your hands so effectively. One intimate design cling ring is fastened on every glove's wrist. Keep away from 99% hand unintentional damage for your loved ones at kitchen cuts, oyster shucking, meat slicing, butter mandolin, greens slicing, fruits peeling, wooden carving, carpentry, and backyard working. Number 4. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 4PCS cut-resistant gloves. Distinctive transverse knitting tech and elastic materials present good grip, appropriate for various measurement arms. It additionally permits breathability for these lengthy processes, and your arms keep dry and comfy. Will you amaze with it? Throw away the conventional gloves and attempt to use our 𝐂𝐡𝐞 minimize resistant gloves. It's made out of degree 5 minimize resistant materials, shield your arms from damage. Stronger than regular gloves. Allow you to get pleasure from cooking time. Our improved security slicing gloves might be washed by hand or dishwasher as kitchen dishwashing towel. Why? It's so helpful for you. 𝐂𝐡𝐞 anti-minimize gloves are nice for oyster shucking, wooden carving, whittling, butchering, peelers and mandolin slicers, yard working, storage working, coping with damaged glass, and many others. We're worth the voice of our prospects. In case you have any questions, please contact us. We promise to give you pleasant and immediate customer support. Number 5. 𝐂𝐤 Level 5 Cut Resistant Cutting Gloves. Silicone strip within the palm even carry a stronger dry grip than your naked arms, which may forestall your arms from getting moist and slipping successfully. For areas susceptible to put on, 𝐂𝐤 added a big space of silicone strips to the fingertip, The palm and fingers enhance put-on resistance of your work gloves. Sure, slicing gloves meets the wants of the house and work successfully. It may be used for wooden caving, rotary slicing, dealing with glass, transferring packing containers, and so forth. After a day of labor, you possibly can clear your security work gloves within the washer simply and free your drained arms. Order now. You will get a refund at any time if you're not happy, so why hesitate? Our minimize resistant gloves are made with the very best degree of minimize resistant materials. 10 instances stronger than regular gloves and degree C5 minimize resistance safety. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.